Assalamu alaikum. This is Ishrat Bilal, Headmistress, the City School Qasimabad-I. As school leaders, we relied on combination of robust monitoring data analysis and stakeholder feedback to determine that our provision had achieved a good standard. Students' progress was consistently positive in both internal and external assessments. Teaching and learning were strengthened by lesson observations, peer reviews, and reflective dialogue. Innovations such as QR codes on classroom doors for easy access to lesson plans promoted transparency and collaborative planning. While the Citizen app improved parent-school communication, strong partnership with families and the wider community through workshops and community projects enhanced students' motivation and well-being. The clear alignment between our vision and outcomes was evident in improved attainment, confident teaching staff, and vibrant supportive learning culture. We are focusing on refining teaching through evidence-based strategies, coaching, and collaboration, while using data more effectively to personalize learning and accelerate progress. Strengthening family and community engagement remains central. Our goal is to ensure consistent excellence, exceptional outcomes, and thriving whole school community. The main challenge lies in meeting the diverse academic, emotional, and professional needs of students and staff, while ensuring equity and maintaining consistently high standards in a dynamic school environment.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shamin Nubio. I'm associated with the City School system since 20 years. At our school, we offer a strong foundation through project-based and experimental learning. Children learn by exploring, creating, and participating actively. Our focus is on building confidence, understanding, and essential life skills. Our classroom encourages curiosity, collaboration, and creativity. Every child is supported to learn, grow, and succeed.
Hello everyone, I'm Ms. Mariam Henry and I've been associated with the system since 6 years. We believe that every child learns best when they are actively involved. Through project-based learning, we encourage curiosity, creativity, and teamwork. Each child is supported to reach their full potential. Our goal is to nurture confident learners who think, explore, and grow every day. We ensure learning is joyful, purposeful, and child-centered. As every child grows, better to us. Thank you.